This is Oban. But today, we're not actually going to explore Oban, we're going to be exploring places around Oban. Like places like this, the Isle of Seil, and places that you must see when you visit Oban.
Does she notice the things I notice? How she practices piano on her.
So in today's video, we're going to have a look around the local area of Oban, but not Oban itself. We're going to be looking at little places you can explore after you've seen Oban. We're on the way to Loch Seil, and the drive here is just amazing. Today's video we have Holly and Lauren. They love it when I put a camera in their face.
Cleaned your glasses.
Oh, thank you for cleaning my glasses. All right, let's get going. So on the drive from Oban to the Isle of Seil, there's some fantastic views. This is just one of them. Oh, there's a car coming. Oh, I need to go. See ya.
This is the bridge.
Oh, this is the bridge, is it?
So this is the shortest length mainland Scotland and an island.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bridge and a half.
I want her to notice what I don't notice.
You could probably
Space between us now, it's just
So this is the Isle of Seil. It's a beautiful little place. Yeah, we're going to take it easy on this video and just show you a couple of like scenic places more than anything. We might see if we can get onto this island. Apparently it's an island locally that has no cars allowed on it. Not sure how you get on it yet, but might see if we can get on it.
passenger ferry.
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon already, but
Yeah, you might have missed it.
might have like missed it. Might just be a quick one.
Maybe just fly his drone over it.
Yeah. Could fly my drone. Might do a drone shot here actually. It's really
Yeah, I
nice.
think it's a good place as any. There's no gold around either.
Nah. Oh, let's get my drone out and have a little look around with my drone, shall we? Here we are, we're at Ellenabeich, or something like that, and this area is amazing. It's a free car park, and it's got some amazing views. So the island I was talking about earlier, about there being a little island you can get across and over to, is that island over there. Again, I don't know if we've missed the ferry, or if there is a ferry, or we have to swim across the water, but as you can see, there's loads of people walking across that island over there, and it seems like it's just a walking sort of place. Might have a look if we can get over there, but at the moment we're going to walk down to like this tourist information museum sort of area just down here, after we just enjoy the lovely scenery. That is a mountain and a half. That's just, it looks so incredible. Like, it kind of feels like it's bulging out, but you know, there you go. Again, so this one's just going to be a peaceful video, just some scenic views of Scotland for you guys. proceeding beyond this point do so at their own risk. Dum 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 dum. So here you go, guys. We've risked our own life for your own enjoyment. You don't have to come and risk your life because we did it for you to show you what's here. Yeah, it's so dangerous, guys. We did it at our own risk. I was saying, I still don't know how you get over to that island. There looks like there's like some sort of like boats that can get you across, but I haven't seen a single one. If I don't find out, I'll tell you in the comments and right now, but I'm sure that I'll be able to find out at some point. The end of the risky bit. Let's head back. Cool, that seagull needs a shut up though. So there's a little cafe just down here. You can just see it. There's a little blue fence. Little cafe with a great view. If you wanted to sit there, have a drink, and look out to this beautiful area, you can do. Cool. So this is the waiting room for the ferry. By night.
There's one just left. The next one's not for half an hour.
When's the last one? What's that?
The last one's 5:45.
5:45. Oh, okay, yeah. We haven't really got time to go over there. But there you go, guys. So if you want to go over there, here's the timetable. So during the week they go until 11 o'clock, Sunday until 5:45. Over there, I don't know about the way back. Yeah, sounds quite cool. Don't know about prices either. Again, it's not much information. Trying to find prices. So we won't have time today because it's Sunday, but if it was during the week we could have went over there. But there you go. It's a nice little area still. Even if you don't go over to the island, you can still have a nice time exploring places. If you want to go over to the Easdale Island, there you go. Just go to that little hut-looking shed thing. It looks a lot like toilets, but that's not the toilets. The toilets are around the corner. But if you don't want to go there, then enjoy other places around here, like what we're about to see. Gift shops and the museum. So there you go. There's a fish and chip shop there. It's about £12.50 for fish and chips, which would be seriously flash because where we are. We're about to have a look at the Heritage Centre and the museum.
No, we're not, because it's a Jubilee weekend.
Oh, we're not, because it's closed.
So we're off to enjoy it.
Oh, to be fair, it's run by volunteers, so I can't moan too much. Anyway, there's a Heritage Centre and a museum here, guys, if you don't come during the Jubilee weekend. Whew. Which isn't for another 5 years now?
Something like that,
Yeah, maybe. So guys, that is the Isle of Seil for you. It gets my seal of approval, and I'll seal off this video, and I'll see you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you check out other videos on our channel, like, well, you might as well check out Oban. We're so close. If you want to come here, then you're probably going to want to see Oban, so check out that too. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you again soon.